Welcome to virtual office training. Today we will learn how to deal with print screen keys. If I open the keyboard, you can see there is a print screen button on the keyboard. You can use this button to copy your computer screen. How can we use this button? Let's see. I am using Internet Explorer and I open the Google site and type in images tab. I type the car. There is some car. If I want to copy this window, all the screen as well, then I use the print screen button. Just press print screen button and open the paint software and go to the edit menu and paste it. Print screen copy all your screen. You can see here all the screen including XP background as well. Start menu. If I want to copy only active window, then I can use alt print screen. How can we use? Just go to the new, and I don't want to save this file. I open the Internet Explorer and press alt print screen. Alt print screen copy only active window, not a start menu and all the background. Go to the paint and go to the edit and paste it. Alt print screen copy only active window. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.